Hello dear participants. I welcome all of you in this session. This session is on learning management system. There are various platforms of learning management system. Google Classroom is one of them. In this session, we are going to learn about Google Classroom. But especially in this session, we are going to learn how to create Google Classroom in simple way. So first let me show you. I will share my screen. This is my screen of laptop. First go to the browser Google Chrome. I clicked on it, so it is opened. Here type Google Classroom and click on it. When you will click on it, then the page will be displayed, and on this page, this is the section where you have to go. Click on this section, Google Classroom. Then obviously it will ask your Google account. Basically we have to sign in with our Google account. For example, I have these two Google accounts. I will select one of them. So I will select this one. Then they will ask your password. Type your password. Then click on next. After clicking on next, the page will be displayed. This is the page, and in this page basically already there are 3 Google Classrooms I have created, but in this session we have to learn how to create Google Classroom. So on this page, go to the right side at the top on the button plus, click on it. So there are 2 sections which are displayed. One of them is join class and other is create class. Click on create class. After clicking on create class, this pop-up window will display. This is about terms and condition of Google Classroom. Then accept the terms and condition. I accept it. After accepting, continue button is there. Click on it. Then another pop-up window will be displayed. In this pop-up window, you have to fill up the information. First information is the name of your class. So type, for example, I will type here TYBA. This is my class name. The next one is section. For example, my section is B division. So I type B division. Then next is subject. For example, compulsory English. I typed here compulsory English. Then after this, the room, it is optional one. If you fill up or if you do not fill up, that will be okay. For the sake of example, I will say 01. After this information, click on the button create. So I clicked on it. My Google Classroom will be created. So this is the home page of my Google Classroom, which now I have created. In this Google Classroom, 2 points initially we have to understand. First of them is class code. Here to the left side at the top, class code is there. click on the square, then your class code get zoomed. This is a class code you can share with your student, so your student can join by using this class code. Then the next one is theme. This is the theme at the top. If you want to change, then go to the select theme, click on it. Then various theme will be displayed. Select one of them. For example, I have selected this one. Then your theme is changed. And now your Google Classroom is ready for your use. In this Google Classroom, basically next video will be how to use Google Classroom, and we have to work the section classwork. So this is very important. But the creation of Google Classroom is very simple. You can enjoy it and it will be your happy learning. Thank you very much.